And so now it's time to recap on the weekend. We got snow. It's a beautiful winter wonderland. I have to chalk this up to one of the things that I do love about winter, which is the visibility of the forest, especially if it's snow covered. Beautiful. So this weekend, let's see, Friday was relatively productive. I spent most of the day harvesting and chopping wood, cleaning up some of my forest, which provides plenty of wood for burning, for keeping the house warm, and it's just lovely. And then I took a nice stroll around the perimeter of the property, which I haven't done in a while, but it sure is lovely to take a stroll through the woods in the winter. That was before it snowed, and then, let's see, Friday night snowed, and we got this magnificent white cover over everything. So good old Bob will have to engage the four-wheel drive to get up that hill. I tested the other roll of plastic that I have in the greenhouse, which turns out to only be 20 feet wide. So that's not going to cover this new greenhouse here, as needs to be done because the old greenhouse is falling apart. So that actually is the tarp that I got from Farm Plastic Supply, and it did in fact deteriorate in less than 2 years instead of the 4 to 6 years that we're hoping for. So let's see, most of yesterday I spent not getting a whole lot done, but I did some more of this covering work on the back side of the shop, and got those two panels made, ran out of plywood, so I don't, or particle board, so I don't have the rest. I have to go get some more so I can cover up that segment of the ceiling. Button up these walls back here. Still got to figure out what I'm going to do with that door. It's a perfect size for more 40 by 48 pallets, so I can fill that in, or I can put a door frame in and put a door back there, which is really what I'm leaning more towards. So that's pretty much the weekend, and so it's a lovely weekend after spending a spending a week in Tennessee with my dad. Flying out and having a good time. It's been a good time. So anyway, yeah. Thanks for joining. Peace.